OMG, yes, the epic Mugen Train arc is lighting up theaters as we speak. Released October 16, 2020, in Japan, and now worldwide in 2021. This is the biggest anime movie ever. Broke Spirited Away's box office record with $500 plus worldwide. The plus minus die degrees quick plot, no spoilers. Tanjiro, Zenitsu, Inosuke, and Rengoku board the infinite train for a heart-pounding demon battle. Epic fights, tears, and Ufotable's insane animation. 1 hour 57 minutes of pure fire. Where to catch it right now? Region theaters streaming, later, USA AMC, Regal, Cinema Check Fandango. FZI Diaris Sedilla Crunchyroll, Netflix, 2022, Japan still packing houses. The Macron Die Micro Netflix Japan UK/EU VU, Odeon book now. The Negation Dissection Crunchyroll Global IMAX/4DX VMAX Vibes. At Yo Funimation, Dubs. WHY you need this today, Rengoku's flame breathing equals visual goat. An emotional gut punch that'll have you ugly crying. The perfect for Hashira stands newbies. Fun facts, voice cast, Natsuki Hani, Tanjiro, Akari Kit A Ring, Nezuko. Score, Hamura by Lisa equals #1 Japan hit. Athis Pilgrim directed by Haruo Sotozaki. A studio Ufotable slays. Go now or regret forever. Drop your theater plans below. AWHO's your fave Demon Slayer. Tanjiro, Rengoku. Let's discuss. As I Diaris Sedilla A currency I Diaris Sedilla.